to welcome you to Honolulu. Please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened.
Yeah, intuition, just wanna follow intuition. All my senses tell me I know what you've been thinking. I've been feeling, what if we got up, left this party? Cause I can see you're probably gonna be scrolling feeds all night long. And your friends are drunk, and the DJ keeps playing the same songs, and time isn't moving along. So would it be cool to say, do you wanna escape without ending the night? We could drive through all of the city lights, or we could find a two-song place, just you and I. That'd be nice. Oh, do you?
Good morning from Honolulu. I am here for a couple days by myself, so I'm gonna be documenting my whole trip, my solo adventure. I just came from Kona. I was there with some friends, and then I figured I island hop to Honolulu. The agenda that we have for the next day and a half, I would say, is eat good food, go to the beach, lay out, do some souvenir shopping, and just take in all of the sights. Here's the thing.
And the DJ keeps playing the same songs, and time isn't moving along. So would it be cool to say, do you wanna escape without ending the night? We could drive through all of the city lights, or we could find a two-song place, just you and I. That'd be nice. Oh, do you want to escape with me? Oh, oh, oh. Do you want to escape with me? Yeah, I see that body in your...
Quick little break to go get some cookies from the Honolulu Cookie Factory, but it's just so hot. I just walked on the beach, and it's hard to walk on sand, so I'm already sweating. Ooh. See that glisten? So good, you can pick your own fish, and they'll grill it to, or they'll cook it to whatever you like, but I went with the calamari. 10 out of 10. Going to the beach, I am on the hunt for some shaved ice. I know it's somewhere here, but need to find it. To the beach. I'm just laying out. I actually don't know how to swim, so just laying out and going maybe knee length, knee height deep. Plus the sand is a bit rocky towards getting into the ocean, so posted up on my towel, just enjoying the sun. Maybe I'll catch the sunset. starting to rain.
That was a nice sunset though.
Don't smoke in your room, people. Good morning, everybody. It is my last day here in Honolulu. I fly out this afternoon at 2. It's about 8 o'clock right now. Just gonna be enjoying these last few hours while I can, and then we'll make my way to the airport.